Today is June 1st, 2018. We are here testing one set of our 12-ton bidet flake ice machine, split design. The compressing unit and the ice generator will be located in different places. This is the compressing unit. This is the ice generator. These two will be located in different places. And of course, the water cooling tower back there, it will be located outside of the facility. This ice generator will be located inside of the facility where the users need the ice flakes. And normally the users will put the compressing and the condensing unit in the operation room. Okay, here I will tell you some details about this machine. Here is the compressor. It was a handbell screw compressor. This kind of compressor is the most widely used brand in China for flake ice machines, for all kinds of ice machines, because of the good quality and very good price. The machine is equipped with a water-cooled condenser. As you can see here, the condenser was collected with the water cooling tower, and there is a water cycle behind the condenser and the tower. Okay, now here's some details about the ice generator. The ice generator is made of from the carbon steel. From the carbon steel has very good thermal conductivity. It's equipped with a Gongji reducer here on the top of the evaporator. This system uses R448 as the refrigerant, which was very environment friendly, and it's much more efficient than R448. For flake ice system, R448 will be almost 5% more efficient than R448. Okay, later I will bring the camera closer to the machine so you can. Okay, now let's put the camera close to the ice outlet so we can have a good look at the ice quality. I will put my camera here. So now we are waiting for the ice come out from this side so we can collect some ice to check them closely. Okay. More one. So this is ice quality. You can check. It's well frozen. It's very dry ice. It's dry completely. It's thick. The water is well frozen. It's very hard. When you crush it, you can hear the sound. Yeah. And the ice is still dry. It's still dry now. I hold it in my hand for a long time and it's still dry. It's very well frozen ice. Dry, good quality. The cooling performance of this kind of ice flake is very good. will look into the evaporator from the top. Okay, now we check the inside of the flake ice generator from the top. Here we can see the water dispenser. Water is going down from the inner wall of the evaporator and it will get frozen to form an ice layer. Then the ice blade will move over the ice layer to remove the ice and crush all the ice into ice flakes. The ice plate is coming again. Very good. Almost 100% of our ice is falling down. They are well frozen, so it's very easy to remove the ice from the inner wall. Ice is falling down completely. There's no ice remain. Because the dry ice is very easy to be removed. Okay, this is the compressor and condensing unit. And behind that we have a water cooling tower. Right now we are standing on top of the ice generator and we are checking the inside. This is the reducer model. It's a Gongji brand. Good quality model. You can see the ice layer is dry. It's well frozen. And the ice is very easy to be removed.